Before muscle cars ruled the streets. Before drag strips, dynos, and superchargers. Before horsepower became a number to chase. There was a car that changed everything. A simple car, a steel body, a V8 engine, and a generation that refused to leave its stock. This is the story of the 1932 Ford Model B, the Deuce Coupe. The car that didn't just start hot rodding, it defined American car culture. The Great Depression had crippled industries. Families were struggling. And for the first time, even the automobile industry was fighting to survive. Henry Ford had a problem. Chevrolet had introduced a smooth inline six, more refined than Ford's aging four-cylinder Model A. Ford needed something revolutionary, and so he did the unthinkable. Chapter 2: The Flathead V8 Revolution. In 1932, Ford introduced something no one else dared to mass-produce. A V8 engine. For the common man, the Flathead V8, 221 cubic inches, 65 horsepower, cast in a single block, affordable, reliable. Other manufacturers had V8s, but they were expensive, complex, and reserved for luxury cars. Ford changed that forever. Suddenly, performance wasn't just for the wealthy. Chapter 3: Meet the Model B and Deuce Coupe. Ford offered several body styles in 1932. Roadster, Tudor sedan, Forder sedan, pickup, 5-window coupe, 3-window coupe. But one body style would become immortal. The Deuce Coupe, short wheelbase, lightweight, sleek roofline, perfect proportions. It wasn't designed to be fast, but it looked fast. And when young gearheads got their hands on it, everything changed.
Chapter 4: Birth of Hot Rodding. After World War II, America came home with tools, knowledge, and adrenaline. Young veterans knew engines, they knew speed, and they found cheap 1932 Fords sitting in junkyards. Why the Deuce was perfect. Lightweight steel body, strong frame, flathead V8, easy to modify, massive parts availability. They stripped weight, lowered suspensions, added carburetors, swapped cams. The Deuce Coupe wasn't just transportation anymore. It was rebellion. Chapter 5: Dry Lakes and Speed Culture. If you wanted to race in the 1940s, you didn't go to a track. You went to the desert. The dry lakes of California became laboratories for speed, and the Deuce Coupe was everywhere. SCTAN Early Racing, Southern California Timing Association, Class-Based Racing, Homemade Safety Rules, Innovation Through Trial and Error. This is where hot rodding became engineering. Chapter 6: Icon Status and Pop Culture. By the 1950s and 60s, the Deuce Coupe wasn't just a car, it was a symbol. Cultural impact: Little Deuce Coupe, The Beach Boys, American Graffiti, Hot Rod magazine covers, driving culture. It represented freedom, individuality, and speed on your own terms. Chapter 7: The Deuce Today. Today, the Deuce Coupe is more popular than ever. Modern reality originals, extremely rare steel-bodied builds, $80,000 to $150,000 plus, fiberglass replicas common, LS swaps, Coyote swaps, electric conversions. Some purists demand flatheads. Others embrace modern power. But the soul remains the same. Chapter 8: Why the Deuce Matters. The 1930 Ford Model B didn't win Le Mans. It didn't set factory horsepower records. But it did something far more important. It gave people permission to build, to modify, to create. It wasn't perfect, it was a starting point. Every burnout, every chopped roof, every rumbling V8 traces back to one car. The Deuce Coupe. Not just a car, but the birth of American hot rodding. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. What would you build? Flathead, LS, or Coyote?